Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose in improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. Where culture converges, confluences point, devotees take a holy dip at the Sangam on the occasions of the Mahashivratri, marking the culminations of the Mahakumbh at Prayagraj, RV Murti. Crossing many hurdles to reach the Sangam in Prayagraj, pilgrims at the Mahakumbh embrace spiritually and faith the as they took the holy dip. To the teeming hundreds of thousands, the Mahakumbh is not just about taking a dip in the Triveni Sangam to confluences of the Ganga, the Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati, but also an emotional roller coaster. The unimaginable hurdles and difficulty the pilgrims face to reach the Sangam in Prayagraj of Uttar Pradesh is not visible on their faces. On the contrary, they look completely engrossed in the spirituality of its tale. Their eyes is brimming with faith. They wait for the moment when the water would wash over them in the belief that they are one step closer to salvation. Total strangers come to each other aid without so much as even as a gesture for help. This is where the emotions reach a crescendo with almost everyone who was there waiting the same for themselves and for their fellow human beings. While the morning was calm, the evening remained vibrant, and while a variety of colors display life, the tiny shed which housed Naga Sadhu summered in ash celebrated death and the journey beyond. At the Mahakumbh, where food was abundantly available for everyone, so to was room for rest at almost no cost. The journey to get to the Sangam had its movement, while travel to Prayagraj itself may have been by air, rail, or road. Getting to the Sangam was another story. Once one entered the town, only two transport options were available to journals public, and they did not scam. Cheap cycle rickshaw driver offered to accommodate a maximum of 6 people, and motorbike drive offered to take two passengers. The charges ranged anywhere between 200 rupee to 300 per rupee per person, and the drop points was still 2 kilometers from the river. The majority of the devotees decided to walk if they could not afford the rides. Children and elderly people sitting on the shoulder of their relative was a common sight during the journey of about 10 kilometers from Prayagraj town to the Sangam. Pilgrims thronged the Triveni Sangam as Mahashivratri drew closer. Many people arrived in groups. They were distinctive gear, carried flag, and held on to a rope to stay together. For the few moments when they took a dip, everyone had equals in the collective faith that had brought the crores of people to the Sangam. The water were a great leveler. No one knew if the person taking a dip in the water alongside was a big shot or just another man under the sun. Text R.V. Murthy. Article written by R.V. Murthy. Perfect balance. A child walks the tightrope among the crowd at the Sangam. R.V. Murthy. This is clips from image clips from Mahakumbh. Strong shoulder. A woman carry an older relative on their return trip. R.V. Murthy. Fairy devotion. Pilgrims offer prayers after taking the holy dip. An elder member of family applies sindoor on the forehead of a younger woman. Devotee perform Ganga Aarti at the Sangam. soulful ride. Devotee take boats to the Sangam beyond border. A young woman from Poland enjoy the ambience. On standby, member of a rescue team keep a watch on the devotees. A Naga Sandhu, member of the group of assisting at the Mahakumbh. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, share and comment, and don't like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Don't forget press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow on next video.